In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your font in Canva. So I'm going to show you the entire process. Very easy, but very important for different projects. For different projects, you would need different fonts, and also maybe a font, a bold text, a bold font. It's gonna do better in your own design because you want to highlight the message, but then for some details you want to add a more slim or without bold. Don't add bold to that text. It's very important the way you use text, the way you utilize fonts in Canva and in pretty much in any design, because that way you can drive the viewer's eyes to specific things. So what you have to do now here, let's say I have this text here, but I'm gonna click on add page here. I'm just gonna drag here so I can drag this text here so I can add another text. So if you click D on your page here, I can add text, as you can see, or you can also go to text here and click on add text box, or just add a heading like this. And now, so I can check this, and now I can go here. You see here Canva Sans. This is actually the default font for Canvas, and of course you can add so many other here. You can change from medium to regular, medium, or bold, and you can change from any font you want that you like here, the way it looks. And by the way, maybe you actually maybe you can see this actually icon here. It means that this font you can use it only if you are a Canva Pro user. Otherwise you can't use it. But if you don't see this icon, that means that you can use that font. And here what I will do here is decide for this design what type of font I need. So I'm going to look for a bold font. Here I'm going to write bold. You also have some suggestions. You can also look for a thick or heavy font. Now I'm gonna, let's say I like to use this one. I'm gonna click on this one and the font will change now. You can now resize this. So let's resize from here. Very, very nice. Grab from this side and from this side. Double click here so I can press space, highlight, press Ctrl A, go here and change line spacing and just increase the text now. So we have this text now here, and we have this image and is actually in front of this small text here. If you actually right click on the image, you go to layer and you see here bring forward, or you can also send back. So you can also move this out of the way, move this, we can select this text here and remove it. And now we have this text. We can increase size, and maybe we can go to effects here and add some left. So I hope you found this helpful. Make sure you subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video.